Introducing small equipment in Simply Fleet. This new section helps you keep track of your small tools and equipment, right alongside the rest of your assets. From the small equipment homepage, you can see what's active at a glance and use the search and filters to quickly narrow things down by keyword, group, or status. Let's add a new equipment in Simply Fleet. To add a new item, click Add Equipment in the top right. That opens the Equipment Details form, where you'll enter everything needed to identify and organize the equipment. Start with an equipment name. Then fill in details like make and model so it's clear exactly what this item is. Next, choose an equipment type. And if the right type isn't listed, you can create your own by selecting Create a New Equipment Type, typing the new type name, and saving it. In the same area, you can also assign a group by team, location, or department, so your equipment stays organized by category for easier tracking and filtering. Just open the Group drop-down to select an existing group, or choose Create a New Group to add one on the fly. Enter a group name, optionally pick a parent group. Add a short description if you'd like, and save. Once the details are set, go to User Assignment and choose the operators or users who should have this equipment. Assigning an operator gives them access in the mobile app so the right person can view and manage it in the field. Finally, click Save. You're returned to the equipment list, where your new item now appears with its key info, making it easy to track, filter, and manage small equipment going forward. Small equipment follows the same approach as vehicles in Simply Fleet. You can raise and track issues with clear status and priority so nothing gets missed. You can record maintenance in the service log, including the service date, task, and cost, to keep a clean history. And you can set maintenance reminders for routine tasks, so you always know what's due and when. On these pages, use Search Assets to switch the view to small equipment or select a specific tool so the page switches from showing all assets to showing only your small equipment. And here's the best part. Small equipment is super affordable. It's not priced like vehicles. Instead, it's an add-on for just 50 cents per equipment per month. And that's small equipment in Simply Fleet. For more helpful tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.